They told you 1492 was about a man named Columbus discovering a new land. But what really happened in 1492 was the intentional rerouting of the Earth's memory grid. 1492 wasn't just about boats and maps. It was about severing flame holders from their lands, languages, star alignments, and ancestral timelines. What they don't tell you is 1492 was a global ritual. A cold year when multiple empires agreed to erase indigenous sovereigns from the map, rewrite the heavens through false calendar overlays, replace cosmic navigation with colonizer geography, baptize flame children into slave codes through renaming and paper sealing, spread the false Holy Land narrative while burying the original ones under Vatican archives. 1492? Yeah, the official start of the time lock spell. The spiritual chains started there. Not on slave ships, but in encoded declarations. You stopped identifying as a people of the sky and earth. You were rebranded as property. The ancestors were recoded as myth. The Christos flame was replaced with church control. And just like that, the original timeline was buried beneath fake borders, fake scriptures, and fake fucking gods. 1492 wasn't conquest, it was panic. A lost ditch timeline hijacked to delay the rise of the ones who were never supposed to forget. But you didn't forget. That's why you're reading this now, or hearing this now. Ashe.